Hello, this is OAS machinery. My name is Sardar. We are CNC machine builder. We build drilling machine, milling machine, 5-axis to 3-axis machines, different type of CNC aided machines. The machine here is 50-meter long machine. It's capable to drill plates profile up to by 600 box profile, and also it is capable to H-beams, different type of like a track chassis, that type of materials. What we do is basically we make the plate tails with the carbide tool. Here is 21 millimeter the drilling. We make it like a metric 24 the topping in here. So it's basically material. It goes through full thickness up to 50 millimeter thickness. So also drilling the flanges. Only the operator putting the plates and then clamp it with the hydraulic clamps. And after that, according to the program, it makes all holes, change the tool, and get the topping tool, make the scribing, all these applications. The machine is 11 kilowatt spindle, equipped with 11 kilowatt spindle, box in box type, very thick casting machine, which is holding the Z-axis very strongly, and high performance drilling machine. So different stations, 4 different stations, but overall is 15-meter long profile, can be processable in this machine. Here is adjustable, actually on the rails, adjustable clamping, taking off the bolts and making the position one side to other side up like a 6-meter area. So operator easily, user-friendly, taking off the clamps and putting the new part in here. During this process, the spindle, actually machine, can make another side in the other station, make the other drilling, and by this way saving too much time. In this process, we are doing scribing. Scribing is making the numbering, for example, for the welding point, also the naming of the profile. All these kind of drawings you can do from the DXF file to the on the surface of the material. Like here, OAS CNC beam drilling. Here is 280 H beam in the web drilling. We do with the again 21 millimeter the diameter. So about like 2.5 seconds about each hole. So very quick and high speed drilling application. The operator put some profiles, mostly in the construction, drilling on the both edges. In these edges, make the 2-3 holes, 4 holes. On the other side, another 4 holes. So by this way, they can operator can put each station 3 meter, 4 meter long, another 3 meter, 4 meter long profiles, and turn it by hand. So this is very quick machine and very accurate solution. Thank you for watching us. Hope to see you next time.